Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ramadan is very short and each day moves very fast. It does not tolerate postponement or laziness. If you want to do good deeds in this very month, this is the time for you to do it. Never think of more days coming in the month of Ramadan. Okay? It is now that you have to strive. There is no time for delay. Allah the Almighty said, Ayyaman ma'adudat. The days of Ramadan are countable. They are just few days as compared to the days of the year. So you have to work from now. And for you, the one who disobeys Allah the Almighty, who is still disobeying Allah in this month, try to refrain from all those things. Walk towards Allah by getting into the masajid, reciting Quran, participating in Taraweeh, participating in all the good deeds that have been done in this very month, in order for you to gain the pleasure of Allah the Almighty. Now, we want to say something about the time to break your fast. A Muslim should be fast, in terms of breaking his fast. As the Prophet Muhammad said, لا يزال الناس بخير ما عجل الفطر. The people will continue to adhere to good, provided they hasten towards breaking their fast. As soon as it is time for you to break your fast, do not delay. It is part of the sunnah to, quickly break your fast if it is time. It is the sahur which is recommended for you to delay it. It is good for you to delay the sahur towards the time of Fajr. Do not take your sahur at the early part of the night. You should wait until when it is at the ending part of the night, and then you take your sahur. These are the two sunnahs of the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Hasten to break your fast and delay your sahur. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.